So my name is Daniyel. I'm a third-year student. I study finance and investment at DMUK. Well, actually, I was searching for such opportunity to have some FinTech experience as a finance student, and I just found internship in our DMUK career center. Like, we have a Telegram chat, and that's all. I just filled the form and became the participant. Also, we had to go through the kind of selection process because there were about 350 students and only 10 places available for the interns. And after that, we had our own projects inside the internship, like working with Mastercard professionals inside the company. Actually, these were mostly the knowledge about how the payment systems and FinTech companies work and FinTech market looks inside. And basically, it was very interesting. Also, I gained some knowledge and mastered my skills in consulting, like preparing presentations, doing research, etc. Well, the best aspect was the kind of spirit of competition between all the participants, because it was very interesting, and also like the communication between the mentors, because each of us had some personal mentor, and also we were communicating with all the students. It was very fun. Well, my best advice is to prepare your IT knowledge and your knowledge of FinTech companies. Like, besides, you don't know how anything or like something about FinTech, you need to read about it. Also, you should have some IT skills, or maybe like skills on how to present yourself. This year I'm coming to DMU in Leicester, and I want to spend this year like full of interesting student experience in England. So wish me good luck.